In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download latest Fortnite patch on PS5. So make sure you watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So go to your Fortnite game, and once you're on your Fortnite game, you have to press this button, this one. Then if nothing happens, press it again, and here you will see check for update. So press X on it, and if it has a patch or update, here you will see it, but I don't have any of that right now. So if you see an update or patch, you have to update it from here, and your Fortnite on PS5 will be fixed. So this is how you can download latest patch Fortnite on your PS5. Thanks for watching.